In this video, let's see how to insert images and video using HTML. Images are embedded using image tag and videos are embedded using video tag. Let's see them in detail. Get the boilerplate code. So in order to embed image, we can use an image tag. So there is a necessary attribute in image, which is the source attribute. The source attribute tells the location where the image is situated. This gives the path to the location where the image is located. So the path can be either relative or absolute. In relative URL, the URL points to a location that is relative to the file that you are linking from. So for example, I'm having an image in my desktop and this image, and I'm moving this image into the folder where we have created the index.html. Now let's provide the path to the image, which is the file name, that is camera.jpeg. Let's hit save and refresh our page. Yes, we have embedded an image. So there is one more attribute called the ALT, or the alternate text. So its value is supposed to be a description of the image, and it can be used in situations where the image cannot be seen, like at times when the internet is slow or such conditions. So let's give a description to this image, and it can be like image of a camera. Now let's check if that ALT attribute is working properly. Let's misspell this file name and save and refresh. We can see that now this element is unable to render the image because a file name with this name is not available. So the alternate text image of the camera is being written here. So the alternate text is working properly. Now I am creating a folder inside this parent web page and naming it images, and I'm moving this image to the newly created folder. Now we have an image folder and an index.html, and inside the images folder we have the camera image. Let's correct the spelling over here and hit save, but nothing changes. This is because this URL is no longer available. There is no camera.jpg available in this tree. So we can give the path as images/camera.image, camera.jpg, because the camera.jpg file is located inside the images folder. This is how we give path. Let's check if that works. Yes, perfect. You can also use absolute URL, where the URL points to a location defined by its absolute location on the web. Here is where I got the image. I'm going to get the image address, copy image address, and I'm going to change the source to the address which we have copied. Hit save and refresh. It should work as before. Yeah, this method is the absolute URL method, where the path to the image is given as absolute. This does not change relative to the folder in which we are placing the image. We are using the link from internet, so this is an absolute URL. You can use the width and height attribute to specify the width and height of your image. Let's give it a width of say 100. a height of, let it be also 100. Save and refresh. Yes, we can see the height and width of the image have changed. Now that we are comfortable with adding simple images to a web page, the next step is to start adding video and audio players to a HTML document. So here is a sample video which I wish to embed. So right click on the video and go for the copy embedded code and come back to Visual Studio Code and paste it over here. You can see that we are using iframe widget to render video from the web. Here they have provided a width and a height. Let's change the width to a smaller size, say 500, and a height of say 300. Let's hit save and refresh. Yes, our video is properly rendered on the web page. So that's all about images and videos. See you in the next video.